To enable or disable keyboard sounds in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional settings. After that we'll be able to find the languages and input. Then we can click on manage keyboards and Gboard. Finally, right here select preferences, and after that we can scroll down until we find the sound. As you can see, it's right here. You can disable the sound for your keyboard or enable it. With addition, you can adjust the volume of your sounds for that clicks. So now let's open a keyboard and try to type. And my phone is actually muted. I think it's in the night mode, so okay. But now you can hear the sounds. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.